Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz with another lecture of correct use of English in writing and speaking. This is lecture 5. Today we will learn the difference between pronouns and adverbs. We will know which one is pronoun and which one is adverb. If we comprehend these two words, pronouns and adverbs, and know which one is pronoun and which one is adverb, we will be able to write correctly and speak accurately in our sentences. We may use them accurately. Who as a pronoun, whose, which, what, and whom are pronouns. And why, where, how long, when, and how are adverbs. It means these words are used in place of noun. They replace the noun. These words are adds to the meaning of verb or adjective or an other adverb. This is the difference. If we use them as such, by knowing which one is pronoun and which one is adjective, we may write good language and accurate language. We may speak accurately. Now we will see the difference and use of what and which. What and which both are used for selection. When we want to select a group of person, when we want to single out some person, these words are used. But when the selection is unlimited, we have an unlimited selection which is used. Which of these politicians do you like the most? Politicians of all the parties, the unlimited selection. So we have used which. But when the selection is limited, what is used? What are the politician in government do you like the most? Politician in government, we have limited the selection, so what is used? When the selection is unlimited, we will use which. When the selection is limited, we will use what. Now we see who has different forms. Who is used both for masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine. Its possessive case is whose. When you want to show your possession over something, whose is used. And both for masculine and feminine. Its objective case. Objective, on whom something is being done. When you use, whom is used as an objective of who, and it is used for both male and female, masculine and feminine. What, which, and whose are used as interrogative words. This is not the only function of what, which, and whose, but it's one function of them that they can also be used to ask questions. Now, difference and use of what and which. Which is used both for things and animals. But as we have seen and given example in the previous slide, you have seen that which can be used for persons also, but that is rare. Mostly it is used for things and animals. Which game do you like the most? Which is your house? And this is rarely, which is your father. This is rarely if we are making a selection from the gentlemen who are standing there. This is a selection and it is very rare, mostly which is used for animals and things. What is used for only things? What is your aim in life? What is used for activities? Something you are doing and someone asks you a question, put you a question, what are you doing? They say, like, what are you doing with this watch? What is also used to know person's profession. What is your father? Mean what profession? It means he is questioning about the profession of his father. When what is used or combined with like, it may denote the quality of a person. What is he? What is his quality, like a radio artist? How successful he is, how the quality of his performance on the radio. When what is combined with like, it is used to ask the quality of something or some person in the sentence. Now, these are the interrogative pronouns. Who, whose, whom, which, what. These are used to ask questions. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Who is at your door? Whose is this book? Whom do you want to see? Which is the shortest route to the post office? What is the ultimate goal of human life? All of these are interrogative pronouns and they are used to ask questions. Now, these are the interrogative adverbs. Adverbs which are used to ask questions. See the difference. Why is the child weeping? Someone wants to know the cause of his weeping. Where do you live? Someone wants to know the place where you live. How long will you take to finish it? Someone wants to know the time. When do you go to college? Well, college timing, someone wants to know how high is the Minare-Pakistan degree. Someone wants to degree the height of that building. How are you? State, your state of health, someone is asking about. How far can you help me? How much you can help me? Extent of your help, he wants to know. How do you go to your office? Manner, you go to bus, you go to office by bus, or on your foot, or by your car. These are, he want to know the manner through which you reach your office. So these are the relative adverbs. When interrogative adverbs are used to join clauses, this is a clause 1, this is a clause 2. When we join them with the words which we use, these are called relative adverbs because they relate to clauses. This is the place where I was born. This is a relation. It has been used for creating a relation between these two clauses. I do not know why he disobeyed me, why he want to know the reason, but he doesn't know the reason why he disobeyed him. So it has a relation. When these words are used to join two clauses, these are called relative adverbs. It depends upon the function of the word, what function a word is performing in a sentence. If this word is used to ask question, this will be interrogative. If it is used to join two clauses, it will be relative. Mark this difference. To ask question, interrogative. To join clauses, relative. I do not know the time when the train arrives, relative. I do not know how he earned that much money. So you may have know the clearly the difference between all of these words, pronouns and adverbs. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with another lecture of correct use of English. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Assalamu alaikum.